So last video, I told y'all about the pipes before it cut me off. I went and got these from Lowe's, and I'm hoping that they fit. If not, I'm gonna have to probably definitely hightail it to the RV store to tearing stuff up. I put this cover over here. See, I'm parked residential during the week. As soon as I get everything together, I'm gonna be see what's going on. Okay, I'm gonna turn this water on to see what happens when it come on. See if there we go. Where is it? Oh snap! Is that under that? Yeah. Okay. Alright. Ooh. Alright. Y'all see my dilemma. Dang. Alright. These were already in here. I'm gonna pause this. Get this stuff out of here. So I see it goes from all the way back here. All the way down to here. So I'm gonna have to undo this one and replace it. Okay. Alrighty. I finally figured it out and I fixed the problem. So I had those two pieces. I connected. Ooh, but I got a little leak, so I gotta tighten it up a little bit. But this, I used both of those and connected it underneath here and brought it up and around right there. So now it's on. I just gotta tighten it up a little bit and I'm good to go. Oh my goodness, so awesome. Alright, just gotta tighten that up and we'll see how it goes. Ooh, all this stuff everywhere. Okay. Alrighty, now I done tightened everything up. I used the glue stuff to fix that. And now when you turn it on, nothing. Nothing. No leaks. Everything is cool. Let's check the water. Oh. Yay. No problemos. No problemos. No leaks. Let's see. There's no leak over here. Everything is cool. I think the only thing that's leaking now is this right here. Turn that off. Okay. Alrighty. But I fixed that leak under there. I'm happy about that. So yeah. Gotta get a new one of these too. That's cool. Alrighty. I'm gonna get this place cleaned up. Yuck. Alright. Alright, well thanks for watching. I hope that helped somebody if they ever get a leak under there, how to kind of fix that up. So alright. Nail tech problems. Yeah, it's my water pump. And everything's going pretty smooth now. It's not frozen no more. Looks like I gotta fill up on the water though. It's getting pretty low. Alrighty. Thanks for watching, you guys. Clean this place up.